Guys, today we are here along with our full group to test our homemade RC boat. All of us come together and we are very excited to check its performance on water. This RC boat is made using thermocol which helps it floats easily and stay balanced in water. It is powered by a motor and propeller system, and it is controlled using a remote transmitter and receiver setup. Before starting the test, we carefully checked that all electronic parts are safe and properly protected from water. Safety is very important for RC projects. Now the moment we are waiting for, let's place the RC boat in water. As you can see, the boat is floating properly and maintaining good balance. Now we are slowly giving the throttle using the remote. Creating this type of video needs a lot of hard work and dedication. So please do subscribe.
ये मछली होती है जरा